was 404, rehab 124,000, all in 520, and it appraised totally at 665,000. My line of credit is 5,300. Oh, some big numbers. You guys just look at it. So I left in $3,000 to own 4 cash flowing properties. So you, like I'm saying, if you sitting back and you watch it, you're looking for that home run deal, you're missing out. Opportunities do not wait. For any seasoned investor here, they know that. For example, with that song, I didn't choose a song. For real estate, if here on Hawaii, wherever you name it, if you're not offering a deal, she is, he is, or they're gonna lock it. That's just the way it rolls. And lastly, my takeaways is, don't miss out playing the game, trying to only hit home runs. Like, I really need to harp on that thing. You can sit back, analyze, overanalyze, have your ranges. Your numbers work, your numbers work.